Hi friends, in this video we are going to learning how to write sample HTML code in Microsoft Visual Studio Code, shortly known as Visual VS Code. For doing that one, as a first step, you can go to Windows Explorer. In the Windows Explorer, select a drive. Currently I am selecting D drive. In D drive you have to create a new folder. For creating a new folder, go to this new folder button and give the folder name HTML code. This is the folder to place the created sample HTML programs. After that, open your Visual Studio Code. Now, after opening the Visual Studio Code, your sample screen will looks like this one. In this one, this is the welcome screen. From that, you can go to Explorer tab. In the Explorer tab, it shows no folder is opened. For opening a folder, go to File menu, use New folder. In that one, select the folder which you have created previously, that is HTML code. Now, the Visual Studio will use your folder HTML code as a default folder. From this one, you can use New file. In this, give the folder file name as sample.html. After doing that, your coding screen will appear. Here, write the code whatever you would like to use. The sample code is I am giving HTML. The advantage of the Visual Studio Editor is it automatically inserts the closing elements. Now type the header section by using head element. In this one, give the title element. The title is Tech Spider. After that, come to the body section. The body section will starts with the body element. In the body element, I am writing a code like H1 heading 1. In this, give a message welcome to HTML code and give the another element like H2 for displaying the text in heading 2, that is welcome to Visual Studio Code. After doing that, we have to save the document. To save the document, press Ctrl S, or you can go to the file menu, select save menu item. This will be saved. To run this program, you can go to this tab, select copy path. After that, open your favorite web browser, that is I am selecting Google Chrome. In the Google Chrome, just give the path by using this paste and go to the location. Automatically your sample code will execute and it gives the results to us. That is, here in the title bar it will shows you the Tech Spider as the title whatever you have given. Next, it is giving the output what you have written in the HTML code. Yes. Thank you for watching this video.